In this video, I'm going to be going over the LCD, its functions, its uses, and what to look for. I apologize for the contrast in this video. The LCD looks extremely vibrant in person, but on the camera, I think it's going to be a little washed out looking. This is a video in addition to the write-up. The write-up has the exact same information, but I'm a video person, so maybe you are as well. So what you see, this is your overview screen, and you can see that it shows your steps per revolution that you calculate using your calibration menu, which I talk about in another video. This tells you the position the turntable is currently at. This tells you your dB is your deadband. This is just menu. If you hit B on your controller, it goes into the menu screen. This tells you you are programming or moving based on your head position. You can change that by hitting the D button, and it changes to tail. So that's what that does. Next, below it, you have reverse. That means that if you're using an auto reverser for this, that it's got the track and reverse mode. You can hit the pound button and change that. 0 is your program button, and you can see when it's hit because it says program right there. So if you're going to program a track, that's what you do. And then you've got the star button here, which changes it to manual mode. So you can see here it says manual mode or auto mode. In manual mode, you can use all of the switches and buttons on this controller and it moves it manually, but none of the automatic move functions work. You have to be in auto mode for that to happen. Manual mode's really good if you're troubleshooting or testing your controller. Now if you hit B on the menu, you go to the menu overview is the screen we're just looking at. There's a calibration menu, which I talk about in another video. The view save tracks. So if you go here, you can see all of the positions of all of your saved tracks, and that's what's shown here. And there's multiple pages of this. This is really good, I find, for testing. But other than that, it's once you get this all tuned in, you probably won't use that screen much. Next, you have the save tracks to EEPROM. I'm not going to hit that, but in the write-up and in my programming tracks video, you'll hear me talk about short-term memory and long-term memory for the controller. This takes all of your save track positions from short-term memory and updates them in long-term memory. So that's what this does. And that, in a nutshell, is the LCD.